Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme. If you're looking at this rig, you're not just shopping, you're aiming to dominate. No lag, no waiting, no, maybe I should have picked the better one. You're the kind of person who demands a system that keeps up with you, not one that holds you back. Before we dig into what I've been experiencing, check the link below right now and see if the current deal is still live. These good configurations don't stick around pricing-wise, and when they're gone, you'll hit FOMO. I upgraded to this Gamer Xtreme build after bouncing between rigs that promised great performance, only to hit bottlenecks when streaming or gaming with overlays and mods. I didn't want a good enough PC, I wanted one that felt premium from day one. With an Intel Core i7-14700F and GeForce RTX 5060Ti, plus a 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD and 16GB DDR5, this isn't me settling, it's me stepping up. What I felt the moment I booted, everything felt instant. No loading screen frustrations. No second-guessing performance. I clicked play and felt the system respond. During my gaming sessions, titles like Forza and Battlefield ran with high frames and ultra settings without weird stutters or dips. And yes, when I had Discord plus Spotify plus a browser tab or two open, it didn't flinch. The case and build quality. You open the side panel and you know you're sitting in a high-tier machine, clean cable work, RGB done right, zero cheap feel components. That build presence matters, because every day you see it, you remember you made the right move. Quick heads up, if you're watching this and the price is right, don't wait. I've seen this configuration sell out or take a price bump overnight. You might be thinking, is this overkill? Will I regret spending now rather than waiting? Here's your reality. If you're the kind of gamer or creator who wants fluid performance and minimal compromise, you always come back to systems like this. Don't end up researching for weeks again and still land somewhere suboptimal. This is that build that stops the loop. Choose it and move on with confidence. Pros: every interaction feels smooth and anchored in performance, handles modern games and multitasking with real headroom. Premium build and visuals create daily confidence. One setup you buy and forget about for upgrades later. Cons: price is higher than budget system. 16GB RAM means upgrade might be wise for future-proofing. Stop searching, trust your instinct. If you're leaning toward this PC, don't sit on the fence. Tap the link, see if it's still available, and jump in if it is. This kind of build is rare to find under just right price and spec at the same time.